The regional manager is coming tomorrow. We need to show him the sales data of the past 2 months. I need you to reconcile the regional sales.
And how many supportive staff would be working with me?
Why do you need any?
Ma'am, it's a tedious task. I need to have some support staff. Try to understand me.
No, you'll have to do it all alone.
Please, ma'am.
No. Give me the status tomorrow and the entire report by in the next 2 days. You may leave now.
Ma'am, you called me?
I need the complete data of the newly recruited management trainees.
Okay, ma'am. When you need it?
Evening?
Evening?
Yeah, by 5 p.m.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing.
Yeah.
I need 2 days leave.
Why so?
Ma'am, I want to go home. It's been long I've been to my home, so...
You had just been home, I guess.
No, ma'am, it's 3-4 months back. I need...
No, cannot afford it right now. Lot of work pending.
Ma'am, please understand.
No, not at all. Get this work done by evening.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, here is the web design that you had asked me to prepare and submit by today. Ma'am, but I have made some improvements. Just have a look at it now.
How much time did you take for this?
Ma'am, 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours for this? I had asked you to get it done my way.
Ma'am, but just have a look at it, no?
No, I don't want to see it. Get it done my way.
Ma'am, but I have put lots of hard work in it, ma'am.
Who asked you to waste your time on this? I had given you the idea already. You had to just make the design and give it to me.
You don't want this one then, ma'am?
No, I'm not seeing it. Get the design made for me in the next 2 hours.
Ma'am, but I...
Ma'am, you called me up?
Yeah. Is the sales report ready?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm working alone on it.
So what are we going to show to the manager tomorrow?
Please try to understand me.
That's not my problem. I need the report in the next 2 hours.
Ma'am, please.
Get out and don't turn to me before you complete it.
Yes, ma'am?
Where's the data?
Ma'am, I sent you.
It's incomplete.
Ma'am, I'm facing some technical problems. I cannot access my database. What to do?
Is that my problem? You need to get in touch with the concerned authority.
Ma'am, I went to them. They cannot solve my problem. It's
That's not my
fault.
problem. You have to reach out to them.
Ma'am, that's not my fault. What to do?
Get it done.
Okay.
I need it as soon as possible.
Lots of tension. I have to do all sort of work alone only, and madam is going to kill me tomorrow. I know that.
Sales figures are down. This thing doesn't function properly, and she wants me to give the report by this afternoon. I don't know what's wrong with her.
2 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही है. 2 दिन काम से छुटकारा नहीं मिल सकता यहाँ पे. क्या जिंदगी तो पक गई है. 2 दिन.
You have seen, no, Pranav. I had put in 3 to 4 hours of hard work in that new web design.
I knew
She
that.
didn't even look at it. She actually crumpled the paper and threw it on my face. I mean, who does that? I mean, seriously, no respect for hard work.
कल भी ऑफिस आना है. देखो.
Guess what? I also got the message. I have to come to office tomorrow. Now she wants to eat my head again. My God.
Even I've got the message. I mean, we have an office tomorrow. Seriously.
No weekends, nothing.
Even I got the same message.
But I didn't got the message. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, actually I want to leave for a week. I am going out with my families.
Oh, you're going out?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very great.
Yes.
Where are you going to?
I am going to Delhi.
Okay. Yeah, enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am.
morning, sir.
Morning, morning.
Sir, do I order coffee for you?
No, not required.
Yes,
Okay, so Mayuri, what's going on? We are not able to achieve our target, and we are
Yes,
also
sir.
we have left only 1 week. So what's the problem? I really need to know.
Sir, we are facing a few problems, especially with respect to the employees. Well, we are having a tough time handling them. I'm making sure they work hard, but yes, there are a few
Please.
complaints.
No, don't handle the employees. Handle their problems. Please try to understand this problem. Try to understand their problems, what they are facing up to, and please try to communicate each and everybody. Okay, we need to work hard to achieve our target, and we'll try to figure out the problems. What are
Yes, sir, we'll do it.
okay?
I think some of the employees wanted to talk to you.
Mhm.
You should go and have a word with them.
Okay, I will check. Thank you. So guys, how you doing? Just sit.
Morning, sir.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Yeah. So. Going.
We have some problems, but yeah, it's going good.
Okay. So what are all the issues you are facing? Tell me.
I needed some support staff from my ma'am, but
Mhm.
she denied that I have to work all alone on it.
Okay, I'll make ensure that you will get the staff, and you will be having subordinates to work on the problem. Okay, I'll make sure of it. Please give your best. Okay. So
So
what's yours?
I had a problem. I mean, I made a new web design
Mhm.
and it had some improvements in it. It's
Mhm.
it was according to me. She
Mhm.
didn't even have a look at it. She said that no, she wants it to be done in her own way.
It's okay. I will personally check. If it will be okay, then I will approve it. Okay. I will check it. I will definitely. I assure you that I will do it. Okay. So yeah, what's
Sir,
yours?
I'm facing some technical problems. I can't access my database and I can't finish my work that is assigned to me. What to do?
Okay, I will ask Mayuri to assign someone for technical issues. He will rectify it and also make sure that you won't be facing any problem in the future. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Guys, we are in the loss. We have to meet the target for next week. Okay, guys, I need you to work hard and achieve the target for the next week. Okay. I assure you there will be no problem. If any problem occurs, you can contact me. Okay. But work hard. Give your best. Or
We are with you, sir.
okay. All the best, guys. I need you to work hard. Okay. All the best.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Fine.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें।
Target has been achieved. Let's wait for the mail.
Yeah, the report will only say if we have done it well or we haven't.
अपर्णा, तुम्हें मेल आया?
यार अभी तक तो नहीं आया. I'm checking my mail. Let us see. Yes, we have done it. See. We have done it. Ooh!